Omo Senator Mochore Essy Kenyuri niga rerebuna haborokia bange igo bagendete konyoru mochando bo konyore pima yobo gwenia heye kobakonya asobwango hegento kigendete kubeka magima abo sabe no nyeni chinga kibagendete wikirane bokorerwa abo asichiskuru ukwana samaga choje bunge ye senate marogo bajale romo Senator Kenyuri igaira chinga kicho na kwerro bokoreri waborokiwa aba junior secondary ubwatikana nemerobelio yokuri kwemerimo.
The matter on the medical cover for teachers has kept recurring, and some time back I saw pronouncement by both the Ministry of Health saying that they are going to actually address this matter with the various teachers unions that met in that meeting. I actually do not understand why this keeps coming up, that we have to raise it through a statement, Madam Speaker, whereas the healthcare of teachers is a matter that should be given priority, Madam Speaker, and it's very sad that the teachers have to use their own money in accessing healthcare, whereas they are helping our young children who are studying in schools. Madam Speaker, teachers suffer both in the healthcare sector, and at the same time, even when they go to mark examinations, they're not able to be paid their dues, Madam Speaker. So challenges of teachers cut across in every sector. So I wish that this committee is going to find a lasting solution to this matter, so that the matter does not keep recurring regarding the exclusion of junior secondary school teachers from the ongoing Teacher Service Commission promotion exercise for the financial year 2026-2027. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Teacher Service Commission has advertised for over 34,000 promotional vacancies for teachers across the country. However, concerns have arisen that qualified teachers serving in the junior secondary schools have been excluded from the exercise, as the online application system only recognizes teachers deployed to primary and senior secondary schools. In the statement, the committee should address the following. One, the reasons for excluding JSS teachers from the ongoing promotion exercise, stating whether the exclusion is consistent with the TSC's human resource and career progression policies and the number of JSS teachers eligible for promotion, whether the TSC intends to review the promotion framework and online application system to enable qualified JSS teachers to apply for promotion opportunities, and if so, provide the timelines for the review. Finally, the measures to ensure that all qualified teachers, regardless of their level of deployment, have equitable access to promotion, professional development, and career advancement opportunities.